Greetings, travel buddies, and welcome to another episode of Athens for Athens Road Trip Guide and Beyond. If you are new to this channel, I greet you all welcome. If you are a regular subscriber, I greet you all welcome back. For the new visitor, I would like to ask you to click that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up if you find our travel guides helpful and inspiring. Without further ado, let's go to our number one topic for road trip Athens and beyond. Our number one topic for road trip Athens and beyond will be the Pelion Peninsula. Due to its breathtaking natural landscapes, the Pelion Peninsula is also the place setting of the movie Mamma Mia. Expect a 3-hour drive from Athens to reach the Pelion Peninsula. The Pelion has mountainous village and amazing beaches. Some of the beaches that we suggest for you to check out will be Agios Ioannis and Papanero Beach. When in the area, riding on the Mount Zuri steam train is a must. First operated in 1895, the train departs from Ano Lehonia and arrives in Milis with a speed of 25 km per hour. While in Pelion, go and visit the Church of Taxiarchis, located in the Milis Square. The church is just right by the Milis train station. The wall of the church depicts painting scenes from the Bible. You also want to visit the Folklore Museum located above Margarinista Square. The museum was constructed in 1844 and was originally the residence of the Topali family, who later gave the building to Margarinista municipality. The museum houses large folk arts, traditional costumes, and old manuscripts. One can overlook the view of the port of Volos from the museum. The next place that we suggest to visit is Pelion Monastery of Agios Laurentios, built in 1378. Every year on the 15th and 16th of August, there are large pilgrimages coming to the monastery commemorating the memory of the saint. This monastery is unique in itself as it's built on 550 meters above sea level. There are many beautiful mansions surrounding the monastery. You also don't want to miss the wine tasting at Milea Pelion. Milea is located in Argalasti village. Stopping by for a wine tasting accompanied by Greek cheese is a must. When in Pelion, if you choose to stay on the north side, our top choice will be to stay at Agios Ioannis or Herakli. If you choose to stay on the south side of Pelion, then our reference to you is to stay at Platanias or Milenia. These areas have easy access to the beach. The number 2 choice of our Athens road trip and beyond will be Trikala. Located in the northwest side of Thessaly, it will take about 3 hours drive to reach Trikala from Athens. Trikala is a bike-friendly city. The city has 3 bike paths and has bicycles provided for free public use. You can cycle along the beautiful and clean Lithius River. For mountain biking and cycling through the forest, you will need to drive to Prophetias Ilias Hill. While there, go and visit Castro Monument Castle built by Emperor Justin I back in the 16th century. Also visit the Clock Tower and the Curzon Mosque. Stroll around the Varousi district and visit the Tistanis Museum. Tistanis is a folk music museum, or more familiarly called the Greek Blues Museum. Try out the local food specialties in the Manavika. Local foods such as veal liver, pork shank, lamb chops, yogurt, and soft cheese. Since the monasteries of Meteora is only 30 minutes away by car, make every effort to stop by and visit the monasteries. This majestic monastery is built on top of rock pillars and a UNESCO site and one of the most famous structures in the world. Are you new to this channel? If these info guides have been helpful to you, will you please help us by hitting that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up? Remember to share these infos with your family and friends, and check us out in Instagram, Scenic.Geek, and our website, ScenicGeek.com. Now back to the video. Our topic number 3 of road trip for Athens and beyond will be Missolonghi. If you are into ecotourism, then come to Louros. Located right by Missolonghi, it only takes 2 hours drive from Athens to get here. You must try the mud bath of Aglia Triada, which is a therapeutic mud that will leave your skin smooth and soft as baby cheeks. You must try one of the grilled eels from one of the local taverns or steamed Habara oysters. Missolonghi has several wetlands and considered to be the biggest ecotourism in Greece. There are over 200 species of birds that come and go through the wetlands, and you can watch all these in the observatory of East Koisova in the lagoon of Missolonghi. When in luck, you may be able to spot some of the rarer birds like the lapwing and the spotted cuckoo. If caviar is your thing, then go and check out the Greek caviar from the grey mullet. The grey mullet fish is a local native fish of Missolonghi and not to be exported elsewhere. To learn more about the process of extracting this caviar, you can go to the Renaissance workshop and see how they take the caviar from the fish belly. Our top number 4 pick for a road trip from Athens and beyond will be Methoni and Koroni castle towns, which only take 5-hour drive from Athens. The castles were built in 1207 by the Venetian and an important stop for merchant ships that came from the west. The beach of Methoni and Koroni, specifically the beach of Zaka, located just beneath Koroni Castle, are favorite nesting sites for caretta turtles. The turtles will come to the shore to lay eggs on late May, with hatchlings coming out in September. To see this birthing site and hatchlings, contact the Archelion for further information. If you are into windsurfing, then Methoni is an ideal place for you. Windsurfing fanatics usually fill up Methoni every November. For windsurfing, check out also Koroni. There are many British, German, and French expats living in this area, particularly on the nearby hill of Tapia. One can expect a full tavern every Thursday and Friday evening filled up with expats from all over Europe. Don't forget to watch the sunset at Ilidioso, located behind the castle, and visit the catacombs of Saint Eunophorus while you are there. The monastery of Timios has a very well-kept garden and open to the public at 8 a.m. as the monastery is very well maintained by the nuns who live within the monastery. While there, you can also stop by the Church of Agios Haralambos, which is located right across the monastery. Our number 5 topic for Athens road trip and beyond will be Achaia in Peloponnese. To reach this area, it only takes 5-hour drive from Athens. Once you arrive, ride a train in Vorakos George. The train was built to link Diakopto to Palavrita. This train ride should take about 1 hour. While in Petra, you can go and visit one of the distilleries to try the local liquor called Tentura, or you can visit Patra Archaeological Museum. The museum has mosaic floors and ivory statues of Athena. If you want to see the sand dunes of Africa in Greece, then go to Strophyia Forest, home to Pinus Pinea. The forest stretches all the way to Calabria Beach. In this area, hikers can find 8 hiking routes to choose from. Don't forget to visit the magnificent Castria Cave of Lakes, as it's only 20 minutes drive from Calabrita. Go as well to Anoglasia Waterfalls, just 40 minutes drive from Calabrita. Has our travel guides been helpful to you? Please leave a comment or two at the comment section down below and let us know of places that we have helped inspire you to go to for your next Athens visit. Don't forget to check us out on one of these videos of Rome top places to visit while you are in Italy. Thank you, and until we meet again, happy traveling!